Visit in the morning, I had spoken in detail to the media, but I feel so happy and delighted to be in the midst of my professional colleagues here, doctors, nurses, all the healthcare workers, all the other frontline workers who have supported us day in and day night, all the 365 days, because as I said earlier in the morning, 8th January 2020 to 8th January 2021. It is now a journey of 365 days in our fight against COVID. And because I say 8th January 2020 because that was the day when we had organized our first meeting of experts to decide how do we deal with the news of COVID outbreak in China delivered through WHO. So I will use this particular occasion to place on record my sincere most appreciation for the quality of health services being delivered by the Tamil Nadu government under the leadership of your Chief Minister and your Health Minister with the able support of the Health Secretary and his colleagues, and also basically you the doctors. This is a place where doctors and of course all the other nurses and everyone else who is always instrumental in delivering these health services. This is a fantastic place to see, visit and know about a specialty and a super specialty hospital in the government sector providing 100% free care to all the patients, and it matches with anything which is good world-class healthcare even delivered by the private sector also. And the way you have fought against COVID, against all odds, relentlessly, sincerely, committedly, and also applying your professional acumen wholeheartedly, that itself speaks volumes about your commitment to the health of the people. The way our doctors and nurses and the other health system delivery people and the frontline workers have dedicated their lives during the last 1 year for the sake of providing safety to people, adequately treating the COVID affected patients, keeping the fatality rates to just around 1% or so. I think it's difficult for me to describe my feelings for these great corona warriors of our country, and of course we know it's happened all over the world. Professionals, doctors, they have done a great job. It's really beyond my vocabulary and linguistic abilities, because I feel as a health minister and as a fellow professional also, I feel indebted to all these corona warriors, because during the course of this fight against COVID, we lost many of our doctors, we lost many of our nurses, we lost so many of our health workers at multiple places. But the great thing for which I would like to salute the mothers and the family members of these corona warriors, that in spite of their being working in such risky situations and circumstances, risking their own lives for the cause of saving the lives of others, I have not yet come across one example in this vast country of 1.35 million people or 1.35 billion people, where there is a mother or a sister or a brother telling his family member, please stop going to the hospital, it is very risky for you, you are already tired, you have already dedicated, you have risked your life quite a bit, you have already got the suffering because of it, you have already lost a friend or a colleague. So mothers and the family members of the corona warriors. Well, with these few words, you see, the COVID fight has been 1 year long fight now. I can talk and talk and talk about it. I think we need to salute our corona warriors. We need to salute our scientists. We need to salute the leadership of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has inspired everybody, cutting across anything, across all spectrums. And we also need to salute all these journalists whom I have always considered as corona warriors, because they were the ones who were omnipresent. They were present everywhere. They were reporting and working at ground zero. And I know the ground zero was a very, very risky situation and a place to work on. And I know many of my journalist friends also, like many of my journalist doctors, who are no longer in this world because they took all the risk for the cause of society, nation, humanity, for the cause of the service to the people of India. And I think it is because of the joint efforts of all of us and the blessings of God that we are at a situation where we hope and strongly feel that 2021 is going to be far, far better than 2020, and we should be able to deliver better things, alleviate the sufferings of the common man, and help people in a better way, not only through vaccination, but also the way we are trying to help them through facilities like the post-COVID sequelae care, management, thinking all the time about ensuring that the ultimate net loss due to COVID is reduced to the minimum for the society. We are all blessed by God to be part of this noble profession, and I am sure that you will continue to work selflessly, dedicatedly, with utmost commitment, honesty and dedication as you have been doing all through your life. Thank you so much for being a part of this function. Namaskar. Jai Hind.